Let's take a look at this example. Before we are going to perform any operations, we're supposed to simplify this equation a little bit by dividing every single term by 3. Negative 12, I'm going to divide by 3. 72, I'm going to divide by 3. And 135, I'm going to divide by 3. Negative 12 divided by 3 is equal negative 4x squared. 72 divided by 3 is equal 24. That's why I'm going to write plus 24x equals 135 divided by 3 is equal 45. Next, we're supposed to organize this equation. We have negative 4x squared plus 24x, and this 45 I'm supposed to move to the left side of the equal sign. That's why I'm going to have negative 45 equals 0. Negative 4 is my A. Positive 24 is my B. Negative 45 is my C. Write the quadratic formula first. X is equal minus B plus minus square root B squared minus 4AC over 2A, which is equal negative 24. I'm supposed to copy down this negative sign, and B is 24, plus minus square root, and I have B squared, we have 24 to the second power, minus 4 times A is equal negative 4 times negative 45, because C is negative 45, over 2 times A, which is equal negative 4. Everything is equal. X is equal negative 24 plus minus square root 24 square is equal 576. Now we have negative times negative will give me positive. Positive times negative gives me negative. And I have 4 times 4 is equal 16. 16 times 45 is equal 720 over 2 times negative 4 is equal negative 8 is equal negative 24 plus minus square root of negative 144 over negative 8. Please notice that the value of the discriminant is less than 0. At this moment, I'm supposed to say at this level, anytime discriminant has negative value, we say that the problem has no solution. So at this moment, we're supposed to stop over here because the problem has no solution.